Welcome back. We've now worked through all of the basic aspects of Basecamp. We've created discussions, to-do lists, files, and text documents. We work with the various aspects of the calendar. We've also gone through the different ways of being able to track the progress of your projects. And we've walked through the different ways of being able to create content for the project. You know now how to customize your Basecamp settings so that you get only those notifications that you want. And you've also walked through the kind of account that we're going to be using, and we chose to use Basecamp 2. Once you've used Basecamp, it's quite possible for you to upgrade to something that will allow you to use more of its capability. Now, once you go up in price, it's quite possible that you may need the upgrade to Basecamp 3. Now, this is a totally different interface. However, if you are looking at cost alone, Basecamp 3 is $99 for unlimited storage and unlimited members. And Basecamp does incentivize you to take a look at the third level. Now, the point where you'd be indifferent at price is when you're up around 100 projects. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.